안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I'm going to make 2 homemade dumplings without using any dumpling wrappers. It is called 굴림만두 in Korean. First, obtain about 2 cups of mung bean sprout. 숙주. I already removed the bad parts and washed them good. Put the mung bean sprouts in the boiling water. Bring the water back to a boil and cook it for 12 minutes on medium-high. Meanwhile, finely chop the other vegetable ingredients such as 1/3 cup each of onion, 양파, garlic chives, buchu, and green onions, 파. We also need a half pack of foam tofu, 두부, which is about 1 cup. Gently wrap the tofu with some cheesecloths or paper towels and squeeze out the water. If you do this once or twice, most of the liquid will be removed from the tofu. Break the tofu with your hands to make it crumble. By now, the mung bean sprouts will be done cooking, so drain out the water, let them cool a little bit, and then squeeze out the water. Finally, chop up the sprouts and squeeze out one more time to remove the extra liquid. For the normal meat dumplings, you can use either 1 cup of beef, 소고기, or pork, 돼지고기. You can also use a mix of each. Today I will use all beef. In a large mixing bowl, add the meat, tofu, and all the chopped veggies, 채소. Break 1 egg, 달걀, and season the filling ingredients with soy sauce, 간장, minced garlic, 다진 마늘, plum extract syrup, mashed egg, sugar, 설탕, sesame oil, 참기름, salt, 소금, black pepper, 후추, and ginger powder, 생강가루. Here is the Korean plum extract syrup that you will see more often in my future videos. In Korea these days, we use this a lot for different dishes because it gives a nice fresh and sweet flavor to the dish. Mix everything together. You'll find out that it is kind of fun to do this. If you think all the seasoning ingredients are blended well, take out a big spoonful, which is about 2 tablespoons worth of the mixture. Roll it into a bowl with both hands and use the same process for the rest of the filling. Then you will get about 2 dozens. If you want to make kimchi dumplings at the same time, in this step, take out about 1 cup of the normal dumpling filling. Then prepare about 1 cup of well-fermented kimchi and squeeze out the liquid from the kimchi. Now cut it into tiny chunks like this. Combine the dumpling filling, the kimchi, and 1 teaspoon of hot pepper powder, 고춧가루. If you love something spicy, this kimchi dumpling can be the perfect choice. In the same size and way, roll the kimchi dumpling balls. Then you will get about 10 pieces. In this step, start to boil the water to steam the dumplings later. Finally, here is today's magic trick to make dumplings without dumpling wrappers. So we will use this starch powder, 전분가루, and all-purpose flour, 밀가루. You can use either potato starch, 감자 전분, or cornstarch, 옥수수 전분. Just mix a 1-to-1 ratio of flour and starch together. For this recipe, 1/4 to 1/3 cup each will be enough. Put the dumpling balls one by one in the flour mixture. Here I suggest you put some flour on a plate where you will put them. Otherwise, they can stick to the surface of the plate. Use the same process for the rest of the dumpling balls. After this, sit a while. You will notice that the surface changes like this. The powder turns into a dumpling wrapper. Now, we will coat them one more time with the same flour mixture. Since you roll the dumpling balls in flour, these are called rolling dumplings, 굴림만두 in Korean. Finish rolling the rest of the dumplings and let them set for a while. Here is another tip. So brush the surface of the steamer, 찜기, with some oil so that the dumplings will not stick to it after they are cooked. Now place some of the dumplings in a steamer, cover them with a lid, 뚜껑, and cook them for about 12 minutes on medium-high. After 12 minutes, you will have beautifully steamed dumplings like this. If you want, you can fry them. For an even better choice though, if you have an air fryer, try it. Spray some cooking oil on the tray and air fry them for about 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. The flavor and texture will be amazing. Serve the dumplings with a soy dipping sauce. I will add the recipe in the description box below this video. The kimchi dumplings are already salty and have enough flavor, so you don't need any dipping sauce for them. I hope you enjoy my rolling dumpling recipe. Please try this delicious 굴림만두 someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook. I'd love to see your food pictures.
안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘은 우리가 만두 먹을 겁니다. 이건 엄마가 만들어줘서 얼마나 맛있는지 한번 볼게요. 이거는 김치 만두이고 금지, 간장을 넣지 마세요. 그리고 그냥 만두를 한번 먹어볼게요. 그래서 여러분, 나는 그냥 만두를 더 좋아하는데 여러분이 더 짜는 김치만두를 먹고 싶으면 간장을 넣지 마세요. 그러면 이만 안녕히 계세요. 먹고 싶다.
Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.